In this video, we'll navigate you through the process of building simple machine learning models using the Rapid Model Recipe type. Follow along as we navigate through the process. To begin, click the dataset block representing the regression problem type on the canvas to open the side panel. Next, click the plus icon and select the Rapid Model Recipe. This will take you to the Rapid Model Recipe screen. Select the dataset on which you want to perform transformations and build the ML model. By default, the dataset is populated. However, you can choose another dataset from the drop-down menu. Next, select the target column for your predictions or model building. In this case, since we want to predict car prices, we'll select the price column. The platform will then auto-detect the problem type based on the selected target column. The supported problem types include binary classification, regression, multi-class classification, time series forecasting, anomaly detection, and clustering. Since we have uploaded a dataset that fits a regression problem and selected the price column as our target, the platform detects this as a regression type automatically because it recognizes the target column contains continuous numerical values that we aim to predict. If you do not want to drop certain columns during data pre-processing phase, then click to expand the Advanced Inputs option. This will display the Freeze Columns field, allowing you to select the columns that you want to keep intact and prevent them from being dropped during the data pre-processing phase in the Rapid Model Recipe. After configuring the settings, click Save. And then click this Run icon to trigger a sequence of automated processes. These include data cleaning and pre-processing, feature engineering to extract relevant features, model training where the algorithm learns from the data to make predictions, and model evaluation stage to assess its accuracy. Once the project run is successful, a link is displayed to view the data pipeline on the canvas. Click Open Canvas. If you need to return to the dataset view to rerun the recipe by changing the target column, click Go Back to Dataset View. Finally, observe the output dataset, charts, models, and artifacts generated after running this recipe. Click on the Output Dataset block to open the side panel. Now, click View to see the predicted prices of each car model.